me send out the fucking voice note and the girlfriend get back, I'ma say to you, I'ma explain to you everything go. Cause even before this situation, dog, the girl said to me, say, oh, me know, say,
Fresh drop.
Oh, me know, somebody,
Come on, stop crying, man.
anything, no matter how no, man. Anything, if you don't want to believe something like it, fine. Me not be big, dog. You don't blood clot like it, you don't care what them. Listen, you know, this is about the internet, you don't care what them want to say, you never like it.
Come in, stop. Come in, no ball, man.
Like this man in Jenny, comment section and talk about the girl, he like it and them Sunday. She see your comments.
Bro, yo, me never hear the voice note, you know. And my boy just send me the voice note, you know. I'm hear the voice note, you know.
Man, same as him text me, dog, me send it to my friend, them brother. Same time, dog. And when me say to him in the voice note, say, if me a come give a support, cause if you see live text them, I say, are your friend them controller when they say, me nah go. And then I say, are your friend them controller? No, me a go play the voice note. That's who me want you talk first, me a go play it. When you say friend them controller, me I say, no sir, whatever. But when me say that the voice about the card up now, me say to him, say, at the VIP party and them never there, come in a one, but they never go like come in a one, go there, so come in a camera to be seen. That must say. And then he said, but it's about Kana. I don't remember if I made this mention something about me staying on my corner or him mentions. But he did have the voice note still. But me a tell he did have the voice note.
Why am I set here?
Remember from you, just let me talk. Just let me talk.
Alright.
Just let me talk, brother. Blood clot. You fucking said man, come make you fucking look like some people like fucking touch pussy, yo.
Come in, calm down over here. Just calm down, bro.
Leave me alone, brother. Leave me alone, dog.
I'm gonna tell you something, sorry.
Leave me alone, bro. You know what I'm fucking sorry, you would. Leave me alone, brother. We say other for the fucking next one. They never fucking say the things the last day, you would.
Fresh drop.
Jenny, me tell you, you know.
What me do?
Oh, you go back. She talked to you last night on the phone, so oh, you go on the live, oh, you make it low.
Oh no, bro. Listen up. You don't hear my say, bro.
No, say, my friend, they feel like say, me a ditch them and turn the fucking one on them, brother. When the people have it on the internet, brother, the one them not up on the internet, they don't know it fucking feel, brother. Me, them a ditch, so why me choose to come talk? No, brother,
So,
me fucking talk, and somebody at the fucking WhatsApp, dog, say me tell that already, dog. Tell me.
But me never, bro, watch you know. Me never come and tell the people them say you come tell me, bro. Me I tell the people them say, hear me here.
As me say, girl, we never release no voice note. And say, knowing what you listen, me not hear that, you know. Knowing what you when me and Jenny have a bangarang, you didn't pick up for Jaden or whatever, because you send the picture to show. Why the fuck would I come to you for come send bomb? Why would I come to you come send vice note? But I hear that. Right. Why would I come to you and send vice note? Right. You hear that, youth? Why would I do that, dog? And if somebody that the girl freaking WhatsApp, dog. Because when the girl look the 2 days before this, brother, 3 days, because when you there today now. 3 days before this, the girl asked me, say, me know it's one in her WhatsApp because everything she texts her man can't friggin' know, dog. So I say, me don't know because he said, me don't know for app WhatsApp. Me never give my WhatsApp app before. But we never made it like no serious. So I say, because as me said to you, we never pray with the girl because I say, are your man that, are your man and woman business that, so, you know? We never pray on it, brother. We never know, say, it's a friend in the girl WhatsApp, dog. It just fuck up, dog. You see how this play out, it just fuck up, because we don't know why, like, they might make it look like, say, oh, just because he's not getting beaten, you know, look how much time he get beaten. He not get beaten over Peter again. He not get beaten over other people, dog. Why no, dog? Why no mula so dumb and fool to come out and come send out vice note, brother? I don't mean send out no vice note, dog. You never send out nothing, you never tell me nothing. Listen now, you never tell me nothing at all. I don't say anything. You need to talk about say our man naked. It's not our man, it's a friend of Shanna and a friend again, dog. A she, brother. Because we don't know who freaking fucking do it in a shade. We don't know who send the voice note them to you. And you tell me no, you know, because you know, tell me who send it to you, you know.
Remember, I don't know who neither in a big C. It's just somebody else come from my life.
Wait, no, so that means say one thing you tell me, you just say one Batman game, but that just it and confirm me, no else, bro. I just stop, bro. Well, I'm just stop. No. You see, I see basically, so I never tell him I just dismediate him from you. See, me end up fucking I see him thing, dog. Just fucked up, bro. It just fuck up, dog. You know, some couple people I believe say I mean say no voice no. Why the fuck, dog? I saw me one crowd from my name, dog. And when I come talk, brother, my friend them fucking like them a turn them fucking back on me, dog. Them a turn them fucking back on me, brother. I don't make it look like say, I don't say about why this and that. Go tell she me say, brother, she called me last night and me explain to her, brother. Because the internet share me last night when me hang on, I'm going to read every comment. People I say, why now me choose to come talk, brother? I know me come talk, dog. I know me come talk, dog. I know me come talk, you. I know like see me phone out no voice note. I'm going to explain it already. And the girl phone get hot, dog. I have to come out now, brother, that the girl phone get hot, dog. And the girl phone get hot, you. Cause the girl look on her freaking WhatsApp and she send me one screenshot and I say iPhone level. The girl now on the iPhone level, brother. And for a matter of fact, we don't know who send out the voice, but we know who have her phone, brother. So that's I'm really come now for just clear my name, dog.
But I tell like my comments here, because so could no mama come out of this. Oh. Yes, Maliso.
But just the same though, you.
Yeah, the girl read your comments and say she like it. She like to be touched. You're live, bro. You can't control your comment section, dog. Because that wasn't it last night. Now your comments are say she like to be touched. She like it, and someone she like why she choose to come out now, come talk. She never tell me anything. It's not she tell me.
So you see other people come up in a box and talk. And they contact say people off a TikTok other victim what them say or whatever with them with Peter Gear whatever brother. I'm still watch everything, dog. And you see how people beat them and come talk about lie and this and that. What the fuck me need to come talk up when me know I'm fucking true, dog, and people will come beat me and say about this and that. But I want to just, dog, you see? So,
at the end of the day, Jaden, you know, I would never ask if you beat Jabbasin at the same time. So you never your life and come talk about, who not forgot beat Jabbasin and me beat him after. You can't say that, Jaden, because nobody never asked you to do that.
To show you something, Shay, you see the time when we got the club and the pink, Jabbasin tell me, say, Jaden want me to sleep with him. Then I go tell Jaden different something like, dog, bro, like, yo, that me have to laugh, dog.
Yeah, me know, the boy. Yeah, me hear what she say.
Fresh
You know,
drop.
me hear what she say. Why the fuck move that, bro? So no star. Why the fuck move that? Yeah, me know so me and not talk, bro. I know, bro. Me not like she, me know. Would I rather go link a private and talk to you, bro? I me never link a private and talk to you. You see it? So I know why Jabba's want pussy dog, sir. Why Jabba's want pussy dog.
The girl don't want to play.
When you play the voice note then, when I say the voice note say, no sir, me not stay so. Me not stay so, but me still go tell my friend them. What me say, hey, never tell people.
Because him say, in the voice note him say, nobody expose me, you know.
But come is like you not understand what go on. You not understand what go on. You tell her.
Me have a pipe and me have a pipe and you have a pipe, bro. Talk why you're a pipe, dog.
Fresh drop.
Talk why you're a pipe, Georgie.
Well on there.
Talk why you're a pipe. friggin' friend's phone get cut down. And people come and make it look like say, and me, say no things that maybe I look like some pussy that like a me say no things good. Yeah. I say to make it look when the girl having the friend, one girl she and I stop that. Tell the girl what's up, brother. If the girl is somewhere 12 o'clock, by 12:05, our man can know anybody else can know what the fuck the girl takes her say dog. The girl invade the fucking girl privacy, and I saw the guys know they get to reach back to your girl. Can me tell you say when as we say, I'm on my phone, 2 phone have me I wanna watch Party Life. On your life, girl. I watch Party Life. I'm see people I say about Big C and Jamas or whatever. But see, I'm on the next one, on the car with them, bro. Meanwhile, I'm on the next one, I watch the live, dude. I mean, just tell, I did 10 times to tell me, send the vice note them back in the crew. And yes, I remember when he tell you, that's everything we said, that's everything when, but seriously, I say everything when Rosalie talk, me believe. And that must say, everything Rosalie talk, Raja talk, me believe. See, I'm some say you would. 10 times to tell me, send them a vice note back in the group, and night time, in night, 37 about Jamaica, that dog. True. Oh, my God.
You know, little boy.
So she never want me to troll him.
It's not that she don't want no trolling. It's serious. To Jaden, you don't understand. Listen.
Fresh
She
drop.
feel that way about the situation. Let me tell him.
No, hold on, make she talk.
Let me tell him.
Things a woman live with, a woman have a text situation totally fucking different.
Yeah, I am.
See me have a vagina, you don't fucking understand everything. You can have a fucking.
Let me tell him. Jaden, listen, you're not listening.
Hold on, wait. Share, may I get an update? Hold on, wait. The dog a say, ask her what she send me in a one view before me say, me want the one in the pink, that the dog say.
Alright, she said, instead of the message, right?
She sent me the message. She sent him one video in a one view with she and her friend. What you mean, Jabas? What the fuck you do? You think you can set up the girl?
Say, we are not recording. We're not even fuck what the message left to you. But screen recording chat. We're not forward.
Jaden.
No.
Jaden. Big C screen record the chat with she and Jabas and send come blood clot gimme. The girl sent him on video. Listen up. The girl sent him on video with she and her friend. She sent me back the 2 video them. One with emoji, one without. She send me. She put the emoji over the girl face because she don't want me show it on the live. But she sent me the normal video with the girl face a show. It's that in blood clot getting on the one view. And in same one, the one in the pink ear. You go and make Jabba Jaden. That is why the
Yo, dog.
You make Jabba spin on your blood clot.
Jabas can't spin around my head. Bro, top say them fuck with you, bro.
Fresh drop.
Stop say them fuck with you, bro. I listen and I try to get to understand what go on, bro. So, because me don't know nothing, bro. Ask me, me don't know nothing, bro.
How the fuck if you say Jabas something in a one view? Oh, Jabas get my fucking number. My friend add me on the call with him when me there go up at the club with. When they will live, we stay up, we live other side there, but invite me at the club. I saw him get my fucking number. So what the fuck I must send Jabas in a blood clot? What is your phone? And Jabas have a pussy clot number. Oh, Jabas get fucking number. Then my time when we dip on live, I'm there at the hotel with my friend, and Jabas call and me and say, oh, like him there crap me or whatever. Me and say, oh, me not like teddy bear. Remember that time there?
Yeah, remember that.
When him and Jaden did up on screen. I saw him get that. You see all them time there? You realize you not even did ask for my fucking number.